Okay, remember the most important thing that you have. You can use the conservation energy or the energy equation. The U stands for potential energy, kinetic energy before, spring after, gravity after, kinetic energy after, and work. Identify what you have. A 1900 car is initially traveling at 20 meters per second, so it's moving. So you have some kinetic energy before, and you have no potential because it has no height. Let's change this to red so you can see. You also have no spring in the problem, so that's gone before and after and after. He's going to cause the car to speed up, so now it just becomes a simple calculation problem where you have kinetic energy before, kinetic energy equals kinetic energy after minus work. What is the initial kinetic energy of the car? That's part A. Well, you know KE. Let's go down here and find it. Okay, let's scroll the mouse over a little bit. You know your kinetic energy initial is equal to 1/2 mv squared. That turns out to be 1/2. The mass is 1900. The initial velocity is 20, right? So 20 squared is 400. Half of that is 200. 200 times that's going to be 38 with 4 zeros. Okay, that's how many joules we have. Okay, part B says, what is the final kinetic energy of the car? Well, that turns out to be KE initial is equal to KE final minus work. So KE final is equal to KE initial plus work. Remember, the word crossed the bridge. KE came to KEI. KEF, work when joined KEI, we switched it, so now we have a nice handy dandy pretty equation that turns out to be equal to, I know my KEI was 380,000 joules. I have 1 mega, so that's a million. So my final answer should be 1380000 joules, which turns out to be 1.38 megajoules. Okay, let's confirm that answer. 1.3 megajoules, good. Now all you have to do, the next question is, what is the final speed? Well, you know that KE is equal to 1/2 mv squared, since you know KE was 1380000 joules. That gives you 1/2 1900, right? V squared. So that gives us V squared is equal to 1380000 divided by 950. And then we're going to take the square root of all that junk to eliminate that guy right there. So let's go get us a calculator real quick. I forgot to make this an 8 right here. That's an 8. So now with my handy dandy calculator, I should have, okay, forgive me, I don't have the calculator up. What was I thinking? Oh no. 1380000 divided by 950. And then we take the square root of that answer. I get 38.1 meters per second. After confirming that, I get 38.1 meters per second. Remember, this equation is your best friend. That equation is your best friend. You gotta know it. Thanks.